We are Planet Found Energy Development, a renewable energy and nutrient recovery company based on the shores of the Chesapeake Bay. Founded with the goal of profitability, addressing the economic and environmental problems surrounding organic waste management in our region, but designed to move far beyond it. Our business revolves around capturing and monetizing the resources in waste. Every year in the U.S., over 1 billion tons of manure and 70 million tons of organic waste are either land applied or go directly to a landfill. When this waste decomposes, it produces methane, a greenhouse gas 25 times more potent than CO2. As a result, landfills and manure alone constitute 2.8% of all greenhouse gas production in the US. At the same time that we create greenhouse gases, we are also throwing away nutrients. Landfilling organic wastes and land applying manure can lead to nutrient runoff, environmental pollution, contaminated water, and declined economic productivity. Planet Found's business model is based on a new, innovative twist, combining anaerobic digestion and nutrient recovery technologies to sustainably address these challenges. Anaerobic digestion uses microbes to break down the waste into methane gas in a warm, oxygen-free container. In the process, the total volume of the original waste is reduced by as much as 60%, while conserving and freeing up nutrients. In addition, the digestion process eliminates pathogens and dramatically reduces odor, all of which makes it a great platform to recover nutrients and produce value-added products. After digestion, the treated waste enters our nutrient recovery process. This process involves a sequence of chemical and physical separation steps that isolate nutrients and generate 6 discrete products. The result is a variety of peat substitutes, potting soils, and fertilizers that can be custom blended to meet the demands of the agricultural, horticultural, and cannabis industries. Planet Found's technologies capitalize on the inherent energy and nutrient value in materials traditionally viewed as wastes.
With the biogas we capture from our anaerobic digestion process, we can create heat, transportation fuels, renewable natural gas, or produce electricity with a generator like the one you see behind me.
In 2017, the U.S. consumed over 327 gigawatts of energy to light our nation and power our lives. Of that, 11% was provided by renewable energy. But one of the shortcomings of renewables, such as solar and wind, is their inability to provide around-the-clock baseload power. Anaerobic digestion allows for on-demand energy production, and often provides it in rural areas that need the flexibility the most.
Although our 24-hour gas production gives us an edge in the renewable energy space, it is our nutrient recovery technologies that makes us truly unique. Our patent-pending process allows us to create a fully customizable line of nutrient-adjusted peat moss substitutes, potting soils, and fertilizers.
What this means is that we're able to produce value-added bioproducts that form our Element Soils product line, available to suit any customer, from a high nitrogen potting soil to promote growth in greenhouse starts, to a high phosphorus fertilizer to promote blooms in the cannabis industry. For specialty customers in horticulture, the Element Soils product line can be customized to meet the exact needs of their plants, bringing an added premium to our product. We can produce high nitrogen products, high phosphorus products, or anything in between. Our ability to selectively extract nitrogen and phosphorus into independent products and then recombine them at custom-tailored ratios is unique. An active microbial community that's naturally introduced during the digestion process improves soil health and adds value to our products. This sets us apart from our competitors and means that we have far more control over the fate of the nutrients originating in the waste. We can help farmers, growers, and governments keep them out of the watersheds where they don't belong and instead market them in the regions where they do.
Planet Found got its start by dealing with the problem of poultry litter in the Chesapeake Bay region. 1 million tons of poultry litter each year are spread on our farm fields as a fertilizer. Over time, nutrient runoff from agriculture, residences, and industry has led to a severe deterioration in the water quality of the bay. The United States Environmental Protection Agency and local states have stepped up to regulate the problem and have implemented moratoriums on manure application, and this is having a negative effect on our region's agricultural community. But the situation isn't unique to the Chesapeake. A similar story is playing out all across the country. Throughout the United States, watersheds are suffering due to poor waste management. and this poses a direct threat to our local and regional economies.
In 2017, we started operations of our pilot facility, serving as proof of concept between our research and development and a commercial plant. The pilot facility is scaled to process 1,200 tons of poultry litter annually, converting it into valuable biogas, peat moss substitutes, potting soils, and phosphorus fertilizers. We've partnered with regional retailers to begin the sale of Element Soils product line in spring of 2019. Our combined operations position us within two growth sectors. The waste-derived biogas industry, projected to grow at 11% annually through 2022, and the organic fertilizer industry, forecasted to increase in size from $6 billion in 2018 to nearly $20 billion by 2026.
In the meantime, we continue to gain support for commercialization and research and development from government agencies. The state of Maryland has provided funding to begin planning for a full-scale commercial facility and to improve our product customization, while we've received additional funding to explore a patent-pending ammonia nitrogen recovery technology in collaboration with the University of Maryland.
Planet Found Energy Development is continuing to generate quality solutions to waste management while producing premier organic fertilizers. And our team of farmers, scientists, entrepreneurs, and businessmen are poised to continue working towards a more renewable future.